We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your drum, and I'm working with an Okidata MC363. So first thing first, you want to pull this hatch up and you want it to be pushed back all the way. Once it clicks, you know that it's back all the way, otherwise your printer will not open. You're going to press this button right here in the left corner. Then, if you see these blue, levers here, you want to pull those up. It's kind of tricky and a little heavy. So you would take this whole thing out. Then you would grab your new drum. This is what your new drum will look like. You will have the orange things here instead of blue like you would on your normal toner. These are not toners that come with your drum. These are actually toner tubes. So what you would do is you take your new drum, make sure you put it in the right way. There will be red arrows on each side. Like there's one here and then one there. You want to make sure these red arrows are lined up with the red arrows that are inside of your printer. They're little guides, you could say. And then just drop it in there. Once you do, shut your hatch here, and then your printer will start initializing. So what you want to do is let it initialize, and then once it's done initializing, then I will show you your next steps. Shouldn't take too long here. Just remember, the tubes that are inside your new drum are not going to be toner. They're just going to be empty tubes. Alright, so it's done initializing. I'm going to pop it back open. Then what you need to do is you would need to press down right here. Take the blue lever, slide it over to the unlock position. Then you would unlock it. There might be some residue down in the bottom. That is okay. So you'll want to take the left side, stick that in first of your current toner, not the toner tube. Remember, your toner is going to be blue. Stick it in there. Push down on the right hand side and then move that lever back over to the locked position. Once you do that to all your toners, then your drum will be installed. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.